Hi Mount Zion Stagecraft, here's the project for Friday. You can see on the left-hand side we have the stage right kickout already blocked, ready for detail and shading. And on the right-hand side you can see the stage left kickout. Now that image is not drawn there yet. I really just have it on the transparent projector. And the reason I'm showing this to you is so that you can see. You'll have to adjust it here with the tape for fine-tuning, but this is the image that you're going to want to use to project here. And I simply used a piece of blue chalk to sketch my lines. And it was really easy. I just sketched the path of the sidewalk and then the contour of each of these hills and got to painting. Of course, and sketched out the tree trunk shape. So you'll notice that on the left side here that you don't see the lamp post, and that's intentional. So do not draw or paint the lamp post because we need the time to do the shading and detail, and then the lamp post will be last. So your job on Friday is to project and trace with the blue chalk and then paint it in. Mike Krelak and I worked together on this one, and I think it took us 45 minutes for the two of us. It was pretty simple. Once you get your contour line, we had a 4-inch roller for each of these colors, with the exception of that little tiny pond area, which is this color here. I used a brush, and everything else though I used a 4-inch roller. With the exception of the sky, I used a 9-inch roller. And it was pretty easy. So for example, because I had this contour line here, I took a 4-inch roller, made the line. You can see it's a little rough, but that's okay because this is blocking. And then Mike went ahead and then he started filling in all the space. Meanwhile, I jumped up to outlining the contours of this space, and then he followed suit and filled in that space. Meanwhile, I'm doing the same thing up here and so on. So you can kind of leapfrog around with a partner and get this painted. I will have some labels here. All the colors here are the colors that we used. And so there's 3 greens. So the first dark green was for the bottom here. The mid-tone green is for this light leaf green here in the middle. And then the bright yellow green is very obvious for the bright yellow in the background. The blue sky color is this right here. And this is the color that I used here for the little tiny pond area. And this color should not be here. I did not use that color. And then this is the almond beige, which is the base coat color for the tree trunk. And that's it. Obviously, do not paint the gray sidewalk as the panels are already base coated with gray stone. Have any questions, give me a call, let me know. And look forward to seeing your work tomorrow, or excuse me, Saturday morning. What's going to happen is Ashley Watkins will be here, and a few other artists start working on the details here, and it'll be great because you'll have this ready for them as well. And talk to you later.